Morning. Welcome to Chester Chores. Today I'm going to be feeding the squirrels and birds and just sitting relaxing in nature while I watch the meeting. So what I've got here is I've got some walnuts. I've got a few walnuts that are already prepared, but they're unsalted, all organic. And what I really prefer is these walnuts that are closed. So I could just leave them closed because they can open them, but I'm going to crack some of them open a little bit. There we go. So I got some walnuts cracked open for them, make it a little bit easier. Some walnuts, I've got plenty of food here. I try not to feed them too much. I do it about twice a week. I probably feed them. I don't want to overfeed them. So, and here we go. I got some bird seeds in these are sunflower seeds. So here we go. I have some water here for them. I like to drink some water sometimes. Hang this up here. You can see it's early morning. The sun's quite bright this morning. Oh, the squirrels are already waiting for me here. Hello. I'm going to put this up in this. Okay. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these walnuts out of here and put them into a separate tray over here. The reason I do that is that if I have it all in one area, they tend to fight a lot trying to get it, so I'm spreading some of it out a bit. I'm also going to put a little bit on the grass as well. Just spread them out a little bit here. They can get some there as well. Alright, I think they got plenty. I'm going to take a few myself, just in case they come to me. That should do it. Let's see, there's one over there. Hello. Oh, he's pretty eager to come get some food. Hello. I could stand here. Here he comes. Okay, let me lead them. I'm gonna sit over here in my chair and just relax while they eat some food. There's a cardinal enjoying some of the seeds over there. Oh, look, there's Jerry. Hey, Jerry. Hello, Jerry. Can I give you some nuts? Let me try give Jerry some nuts. I'll throw it over there, see if he finds it. Haven't seen Jerry for a while. He's the little chipmunk. I think he's been hibernating for the winter. Hello, Jerry. Let me see if I can give Jerry this one. Oh, look, he might be coming for some water. That naughty squirrel. That bird feeder's supposed to stop them eating it because it pulls the cage down, but they sometimes have learnt the trick on how to do it. There's quite a few squirrels today, and they look quite hungry, so I got a feeling they've eaten all the food already, so I might give them a little bit later, not much. Oh, there comes baby, but there's nothing left. Let me go give them a bit more. There's a lot of squirrels today. Let me just give them a handful of these. Be careful sometimes because they do get a bit cross at me. I'm going to throw some here, and there, put a bit more there, and a bit in here. There you go. Sometimes they don't like it too much when I come up here. Oh, I want baby to get some. Go on. They're getting a little bit aggressive, the squirrels. You can hear them. I have to try split the food up a little bit more next time. I don't want them fighting. Here's the woodpecker. Oh, here's Jerry. I think he got that nut. I'm going to get a nut ready for Jerry. Hey, Jerry. Hello, Jerry. Jerry. I don't want to scare him. There. There you go. Got my nut. I haven't seen Jerry for a while. He's been hibernating for the winter. Coming back. I'll drop one on there. Ah, scared him. I'll put one down here. Jerry. That's it, Jerry. You can't be eating that. You're too small. You must be hiding it. Eh? Nothing more. Nothing more, Jerry. No more, Jerry. Oh, you're going to come right up onto me. Well, that's it. They've finished everything. They seem to be... I think I have some more, but I don't. That's enough. They've had enough. I'm going to pack up here. Oops, where's he going? Well, that's it. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next week. Goodbye.